My name's Bernard Harrison, and I'm the Principal Partner, Creativity and Design from Bernard Harrison & Friends. We're here in Belum, at the Belum Resort, and we're going to take a walk into the rainforest and see what there is to see.
So it was easy for them to look for the material to build their homes. All the bamboo is now cleared.
The beauty is that there's this huge lake here as well, and so you have this contrast between water and then getting out the boats and going technically on what is on the top of the hills of this flooded forest.
It smells very nice, it's sweet, like a mango.
I'm going to hopefully come back at some stage and maybe try and help to see whether we can make the Belum Rainforest Resort, get it onto the world map.